Hi friends, welcome to KansExplore. Today we are going to see chicken 65, a dry recipe, a starter recipe. So let's see how to make it. I've taken chicken boneless, add turmeric, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, Garam masala, a nice thick curd, freshly ground pepper, lemon juice, now mix them all well so that the chicken is coated with all the masalas and marinate at least for 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, we are going to add egg. This is the second coating. Corn flour, rice flour, all-purpose flour or maida. Now again mix them. If you feel it is very dry, you can add little water or little curd. The chicken is coated with masala. Now here we have heated the oil. We are adding one by one the chicken. You can see how well the masala is coated. Keep turning it on all the sides, so let the chicken cook. Once it is nice golden brown, we can remove it, transfer it on a paper towel. So in the same way, we'll do the remaining chicken also. Now in the same oil, I'm adding curry leaves. This goes very nice with the chicken 65. Just fry it in oil until it's crispy. It gives nice flavor. Now top it on the fried chicken. That's it, our chicken 65 is ready. Looks so yummy, isn't it? So I'll show you how it's cooked. It's very well cooked. So you want to taste it? Then make it. If you like my channel, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.